Welcome to the Solis Cloud service. This video will demonstrate how to register your organization account and create your power station. First, open the App Store on your iOS or Android device and download the Solis Cloud application. Register as an organization. Please open the Solis Cloud application. On the login page, locate below the login button and select Register to start the registration process. Choose Organization as your registration type. Enter your email address and click Send to receive a verification code. After completing the slider verification, retrieve and enter the verification code from your email. After confirming that you have read and agree to the privacy policy, click Next to continue. Now, please fill in the desired organization name, username and password. After verifying the information is correct, click Register to complete the creation of the account. Add your power station. Once the account is successfully created, click the plus sign in the upper right corner of the screen to start adding your power station. Please follow the guide to fill in the basic information of the power station. And click Next. Next, set your power station's grid-connected electricity pricing mode. Choose either fixed tariff or peak valley tariff. After setting, please select Next. At this stage, you can set owner or add guest for the plant. The owner refers to the legal owner of the power station, with a unique corresponding relationship, and has the right to access data and control equipment operations. The guest refers to users who are authorized to temporarily view power station data, and are not allowed to perform any operations. Multiple guests can be set for the power station. Click Next, and you can provide other relevant information about the power station. Once all the information has been confirmed as correct, click Create Plant to complete the creation of the power station. After the creation is successful, you will be redirected back to the home page, and you can see the newly created power station in the power station list. Thank you for choosing Solis. We wish you a pleasant experience.